In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Duolingo app to learn Spanish. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently so you can start practicing right away. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. When it loads, you'll want to be on the home screen, which is the main learning path. This is where lessons live and where you'll come back to each time you practice. To confirm you're in the right place, tap the Continue button you see on home. That button is Duolingo's way of moving you forward from wherever you last left off, and it also reassures you that you're in the correct section. If it nudges you toward a prompt you're not ready to start, no worries, just back out to the home screen again. The key is knowing where that continue button sits because it's your gateway to lessons once Spanish is added. Next, look toward the top left of the screen for a small flag icon. Tap that flag. The flag represents the language course currently active on your account, and tapping it opens the course switcher. Think of this as your language hub. If you've learned or previewed other languages before, you'll see them here. This is also where you'll add Spanish so it appears alongside any other courses you might have. Inside the course switcher, find and tap the option to add a new course. It may appear as a plus symbol or labeled as plus course. This is Duolingo's catalog entry point. Tapping it takes you to the full list of languages available to learn. Now, scroll through the list and select Spanish. You'll recognize it by the label Spanish and its associated flag. Tap Spanish, then choose Continue. That one tap confirms your selection and tells Duolingo to set up the Spanish course for you. Give it a moment to apply your choice. Once it's done, you'll be back in the app with Spanish added to your courses and ready to go. From here, the home screen's Continue button will guide you into your next Spanish activity whenever you're ready to practice. If you ever want to switch languages again, just return to the flag icon at the top left and pick the course you want to focus on. A quick tip as you begin: short, consistent sessions make a big difference. Even a few focused minutes each day helps you retain vocabulary and build momentum. And remember, the flag menu and the add course option are always there if you want to revisit or refine your selections. That's it. Simple, clear, and you're set to start learning Spanish with Duolingo.